Oh, hey, LaBeard, it's your boy Big BB, and we are back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Listen, man, we are finally back. Now, I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, like a long while since I posted a video. Some of you have been hitting me up and wondering, like, yo, B, where you at? What are you doing? Are you dead? Are you alive? Are you coming back? Have we done something to offend you? And to be quite honest, man, it has been a long 7, 8, 9 months, however long it's been since your boy has been here. But just know we are back and everything is in live motion. So here's the deal. If you've been tuned into this channel for a while, then you know that every few years or so we have been moving. We moved from Tampa area, Sarasota, Florida, down to Miami. We moved from Miami back to Sarasota. We moved from Sarasota over to Chattanooga, and then Chattanooga down to Dallas, or over to Dallas, Texas. And this has been the longest transition in history. I've been without my fragrances for 6, 7 months. It was a long time that I was without my fragrances, and as you can see from the title, I lost $27,000 worth of fragrances. Now let's just hop into that and address the elephant in the room. By the way, elephants are super cool. That's my favorite animal of all times, and I think we should bring back the woolly mammoth. I'm just saying. I heard that that's a thing. I would love to bring that back, but I digress. Here's the deal. I lost $27,000 worth of fragrance. Fragrances are coming in. Your furniture's coming in from this long move. The hiatus is a super stressful move. If you'd like to hear more about it, I could do a separate video in it, but everything's said and done. The fragrances are coming in, furniture's coming in, and boom, you finally get around to unboxing and you say, this looks a little light. And then you open some more boxes and you say, man, this also looks a little light. And then you realize you have no more boxes of fragrances to open, and you are short quite a bit of your fragrance collection. Now, I still have a ton behind me, so these are first world problems. So I had to look in, and I immediately decided to do what any person would do, is call the authorities. And no, when I say the authorities, I'm not talking about the police, man. I called the moving company and explained, hey, I'm missing some boxes of fragrance. So when they came to deliver the stuff to me, they said, hey, our systems aren't working right now, so we can't count how many boxes we have. And I was like, that's odd, but hey, what can I do about it? I've been staying in this little apartment for so long, trying to wait to move into the crib, so I'll do it. I'll sign. Actually, there was nothing for me to sign that day either. It was extremely weird, but long story short, I'm missing a ton of fragrances, and as you guys know, I've been collecting fragrances for years. Whether we're talking about things like Tom Ford Private Blend, we're talking about Creed Parfum de Marly, we're talking about things like basic things like Sean John. Like, there's a ton of things within my collection that I love, that I would not want to miss, but there are a ton that I am missing currently. So here's the deal, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Losing $27,000 worth of fragrance is a tough pill to swallow, but I've realized that I couldn't sit around and cry about it. I'm still talking to the moving company, trying to get that stuff figured out, but I figure while I'm here, let me just go ahead and make use of what I have. And then I also purchased a ton more of fragrances to talk about, but I did want to make sure that you guys know that the channel is back and we are live in full effect. Now, in addition to the fragrances that we've talked about over time, if you would like to see something new on the channel, use this as the time to talk about it, whether it's additional vlogs, other things that I've been purchasing, shoes, clothes, men's grooming stuff, etc. This is the time to talk about it because I can bring it all back. The channel has been down for a while. Lots of content ideas roaming around in my head. But here's what I'll leave you with, the $27,000 worth of fragrances that I lost. I got like a whole list. I thought about listing them all out here, but we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait till this process is over, okay? We have to wait. But I did purchase the entire collection from Mind Games, and I purchased 54 fragrances last month. I'm recording this in April, so in March I purchased 54 fragrances. So I got a lot of new stuff to talk about in addition to the things that I've purchased while I've been gone. But overall, man, here's the deal. We're gonna bounce back from this. I'm going to just repurchase fragrances and bring you along with the journey as we do so. If you got any fragrances you you would like to hear me talk about that I might not have, then comment that down below as well. But overall, man, I'm excited to be back. Your boy is now in the DFW area, Dallas, Fort Worth. We are here, and tons of fragrance shopping available here versus what we had in Chattanooga. I've been having a blast being out and about. I actually ran into a few subscribers while I was out and about. Listen, if you run into me in person and you think it's me, just don't stare. Come say something, all right? You're wicked out there, and I don't know what you're on. I think you might be one of these. All right, just come say something to your boy. All right, listen, I am happy to be back, man. B gang, comment down below. Make sure you hit the bell, and we are on our way to 200,000 subscribers. We should have been there, but your boy been slacking, and it won't happen again. I promise. That's all I got for you today, man. I just wanted y'all to know that your boy is back in action, and also let you guys know that I did lose $27,000 worth of fragrance, and it's not fun. There's some fragrances there that will never, ever be able to come back unless one of y'all want to hook me up. I'll put the list together so you know it's quite a bit. Fragrances, it's like almost a little over 100 bottles of fragrance, or right under 100 bottles of fragrance, but they're gone. They said they're putting a trace out there to see if they can find them. I don't think that's gonna happen. I've been out the fragrances for 6 months at that point, 7 months maybe. Like, it's never coming back. So hopefully we get this resolved pretty soon, and if so, maybe we can go shopping with $27,000 towards fragrances. That would be extremely cool. Maybe buy a few of you some fragrances as well. Listen, that's all I got for you today. As always, I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend that we are back again. And you already know, like I said, damn, we are back again. I had to do that again, man, because we are back again. But you already know what I need you to do. Just hit the goddamn bell.